In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I generated this image, and this image using Leonardo AI. I'm gonna be walking you through how to get these wonderful prompts using ChatGPT, which means that we're gonna be using only two tools, Leonardo AI and ChatGPT, to generate these stunning images. So let's dive into the video. Let's first visit Leonardo AI website, link is in the description. Select Get Started. You can either sign up with Apple, Google, or Microsoft. After logging in, this is our home page. Then we'll go to the image creation. Just click right there, and so like I told you before, we need to use a tool called ChatGPT. So now this is our ChatGPT, and our link is in the description. You can sign up if you've not signed up. You can sign up with Apple, Microsoft, or Google. So generate a detailed prompt using this info. So I provided ChatGPT with the info, so it's generating. Okay, so this is our prompt. What we're gonna do is select, then we copy, then let's paste it right here, paste. Then let's generate. Here we are. These are our images. We have this, the four. So you can select from any of them, but let's first download them. To me, I would prefer this image out of the other four. It looks cinematic, and it has some detailed background. It's blurred background, but it brings out that feel that the focus was on the character instead. So now out of my 150 tokens, I'm left with only 128 tokens. You can read through this prompt. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer the most. This image 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one do you prefer the most? Let me know in the comments below. Let's start a new chart again. It's a magical forest with glowing trees, floating islands, a waterfall cascading into a crystal clear pool. So this is our prompt. These are our results. So the other ones were 4. We're gonna continue with the numbers. Let me know which is your favorite. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Detailed image prompt using this. So then we copy, then let's generate. These are our results. We can select from any of these. Wow, these images look amazing. So let me know in the comments which is your favorite. This is image 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me know which one is more detailed. And yeah, that is it. That's how you can create stunning images using Leonardo AI. Let me know your thoughts below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.